Sorry guys, this is part 2. My brother closed. My brother closed.
No.
This is why.
Too much.
This is why I love you.
Too much. Ah. Aga. Oma. Mama.
Oh, sunshine. Sing sunshine. Go.
Learning Udu.
Dun. You didn't speak it. Where's
Where's
your tablet? Where's yung tablet mo? Dali. Kuna mo.
Hata mo din.
Bye-bye.
I'm coffee.
It's not coffee, that's Chucky. There you go. Shh. Dun mo na. He's also a part of this channel. I love this boy. Love you.
Ting ting ting.
I'm scared.
Guys.
Guys!
Ang ganda. Ito ko man. Gusto ko.
Okay.
Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find
Do you want
Them.
yellow? Hello. Isa pa mo ba?
Ako ko na.
Okay, okay.
Ay.
Doon na kay mama para anong ganun. Ayun siya. Wow! Yellow! What color is that? Yellow.
Yellow.
Can you say Dominican Republic?
Mm.
No, you cannot.
Mm.
Bro, it fell. Gung. No, you can gonna eat that. Kuha ka isa. Bigay mo kay mama.
Superman?
Tsaka ito, bigay mo pa ito kay mama.
Ano babasa tayo?
Mama,
Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them nga.
my brother took a small one.
Sino boy?
I'm back. It's so good.
Mm.
What color is that? Say nom nom nom. You play Roblox? Do you play Roblox?
Oh.
Anong upload mo gunggong sa Roblox? Guys, his pronunciation of Roblox is Roblox. I don't know why. Mama, don't. Bye-bye, guys. Hope you like this video and like and subscribe for more videos like this one.